Hi, check out the products we've got in this short video. We've got this one, it's really cool, and we've got this one you can use for your clothes, and we've got this brush you can use for your shower. It's really cool. And we've got this hair dryer. It's really amazing. We've got these cups you can use for your toothbrushes. They are really cool. And we've got this small fan you can use in the kitchen or anywhere at home. We've got this box you can use for juice. It's really amazing. And we've got this cooker. It's really cool.